guys, I have a small haul for you. The first two things I got from one seller, both of my little lots are from the scrapyard. So, first I got these cream of flowers. Ooh, sorry, I'm on my webcam and I'm still not used to it. Let me see if I can get this to where it's not. That's as good as I can get with no glare. Sorry, guys. And then I got these Prima butterflies. And then from another seller, I got these little bags that it looks like she stamped them with mustaches all over them. Got 20 of them. So, I only got 20 if you can't tell. There's several of them there. So that's my little haul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.